The UK Collaborative Centre for Housing Evidence, what we call CASH, has been around since 2017 and we're now in our second phase of funding. The ethos and the central mission of what we try to do is to develop rigorous housing evidence to inform and influence housing policy and practice. We've developed a network of 5 knowledge exchange hubs, which involve more than 200 people to tell them about the work we're doing, but also for them to help us develop our agenda so that it's relevant and important and timely. And that's very much the core of what we do, everything that we do.
CASH has 4 research themes that guide its work. It looks at economy and housing, it looks at inequalities in housing, it looks at environment and housing, and also place, neighbourhoods and housing. There are also a couple of cross-cutting themes in CASH too. One, understanding housing as these sort of complex systems, sort of cuts through all of those different dimensions and themes, and also a comparative international component to the research with connections to Australia, Canada, and other places around the world, learning about how to transfer policies from one place to another.
I started working at CASH as a research associate. Then I moved to a co-investigator role after I get my lectureship at the University of Glasgow. My experience with CASH as an early career researcher was helpful for me to progress further, especially because of its collaborative nature. It gave me an opportunity to build my own network, and also it gave me an opportunity to experience this collaborative research work as well.
The work we do has never been more important. Many people recognise that housing problems are now a major priority. We have serious problems of homelessness, of housing unaffordability, of tenure insecurity, of precarity for many millions of people. So we need good housing evidence and a commitment to work with politicians and experts and people working throughout the profession to really keep it as a priority and make the kind of changes that we all want to see.